What you're about to see is a full-on family property meltdown. Brothers, deeds, probate confusion, and a judge trying her absolute best to keep the courtroom from turning into Thanksgiving dinner with legal documents. Let's dive in.
On the record, in the matter of Bobby Dodd versus Robert Hicks, 24-08072. Take your name for the record, please, sir.
Yeah.
Your name?
Robert Hicks.
Okay, this is the date set for a hearing. This is for termination of tenancy, and you all cannot come to a resolution.
No, we haven't spoken.
Okay.
I'd just like to get my house back.
Okay, this matter is not tied up in probate court. It's not? Okay. Okay, so you have full ownership of the home,
Yep, I
correct?
do.
Okay. Do you have a lawful right to hold over the property?
I have to speak on behalf of my mom.
Yeah,
Quick
speak
legal
up.
note. You can only represent yourself in court, not mom, not uncle, not the family goldfish. Unless you're a licensed attorney, you can't speak for anyone else. Judges enforce this hard because court would be chaos otherwise, as you're about to see.
Yeah, speak on behalf of your mom.
I mean,
Oh, what's your name?
Robert Hicks.
You have to speak on behalf of Robert Hicks.
Okay, that's what I'm doing, actually.
Okay, that's the only person you can speak on.
Okay. So what I'm understanding is totally against what he's doing.
What?
Because he's buying a house for $1 that he's not buying.
That's not before this court.
Okay,
That's why I asked, was there an issue with the circuit court?
okay. No,
There's nothing
because
pending at circuit
what I
court.
understand, when we were here last time and you gave us the understanding.
Yeah,
That
but he also told me.
Okay, both of us aren't gonna talk. You can go first and then you can respond.
when we were here last time, you said that everything had to go through the court.
Correct.
All of the paperwork that was considered to be the paperwork that needed to confront her son about what she's doing, what he's doing, somehow to me came to me that it was MIA. I don't understand. So
I'm not following what you're saying.
in order for the paperwork for what we're doing is to go to court, the paperwork had to be presented to the court, correct?
To the
Correct
court. You were trying to claim that he
Go
was
to
not the
Eaton
lawful.
County, because this
You were
case is-
trying to claim that he was not the lawful owner. It's
He's
my
not.
recollection.
okay, yeah,
And so
that's
we
exactly
don't deal with ownership of property here.
right. This case is supposed to be in Eaton County, not Eaton County.
What's the address?
He's wrong, first of all, for coming here.
Okay, it's the city of Lansing. You're saying it's in Eaton County?
It's Eaton County, not Ingham County.
It's in a 1 mile radius of.
Yes, he's in the
Okay,
wrong court.
if it's within 1 mile radius, it's
This moment right here, classic jurisdiction confusion. People are often shocked at how weirdly drawn court borders can be. A house sitting 1 mile this way or that can mean a totally different county, but if documents show the city assessor stamped it, that's usually game over. The judge knows that, and she's about to make it crystal
Our
clear.
radius is this jurisdiction.
This house is in Eaton County.
I recognize that. We deal with Eaton County cases all the
Okay,
time, but
okay.
that doesn't
Well, I
mean it's
didn't
not in
know
our
that.
jurisdiction.
I didn't have that understanding. What I was doing, I was getting the information from Eaton County because of the district where the house is.
Did you file anything in the circuit court to
Like-
address ownership?
I said,
Yes or no?
no,
You have something to say, sir?
yes.
Paper for everything going over to my name, as far as the deed, title and everything.
I vaguely remember this situation. I know you all are brothers, and I think there's some siblings in the back, and I don't think he had the deed last time or something to
He
that effect.
didn't. I have all
Okay,
of
I'm
the
talking to him.
Oh, I'm
I
sorry.
had the deed, and I got another deed, but everything been transferred over to my name. Would you like to see it?
As soon as my court officer comes back.
Apologize.
You just can't talk over each other. She's got to record everything.
Like to say something?
Can you, Yolanda, can you get the paperwork from him, please? You have something to say?
Yeah. He lied in court last time, said he had.
And
had
here we
pro-
go, the accusations start flying. Anytime someone blurts out he lied last time, judges mentally prepare for a long hearing. When family disputes property, the courtroom becomes a battleground of old grudges disguised as legal arguments.
Had probation, everything in probation, right? Probation court. Nothing's come out of
Probate
that.
court.
Probate court. Nothing's come out of that. He was just stalling for time.
Okay, this is a property transfer affidavit stamped and signed by the city of Lansing Assessor's Office, 1 floor down. He's in the correct jurisdiction.
Okay.
I don't know why you believe that this is,
Like I said.
that address is not in Eden County, it's in Ingham County.
Okay.
I see a quick claim deed here. It was executed this month. And so he's been moving forward, getting paperwork done, filed. You've not filed anything in the court to contest ownership. So now we're just dealing with ownership of the property. Possession of the property. He's provided documents to the court to satisfy ownership. If you want to dispute ownership, you got to do it at another court. What is your lawful right to hold over the property? Because it doesn't sound like you have one.
I'm understanding what's going on now. I didn't from the beginning.
When can you vacate the property?
Huh?
When can you vacate the property?
Well, it doesn't matter.
It's gonna matter
This is
because
the
if
moment everything hinges on. The judge is done with ownership arguments and now needs a clear move-out date. Here's a question for you. Should courts give extra time in family disputes or stick to strict deadlines? Drop your thoughts. This part always divides viewers.
it's gonna matter because if you don't give me a date, it's gonna be 10 days
Sometime
from
in
today.
April I'm fine with that.
You're fine with 10 days
Yeah.
from today?
Sometime in April, yes. Because I'm supposed to leave on the 28th.
You're supposed to, 20th of April?
Yes,
Why are you mean move on the 28th of April?
yes, I'm leaving this country.
Okay, well then that will be the date. Judgment in his favor for the 28th.
All right, that's fine
You
with me.
vacate. We're gonna get you some paperwork. Have a seat.
I'm understanding
You
everything now.
can prepare some paperwork.
Can I go and view the property since I haven't seen it in 6 months?
You wanna go and view the property for what purpose? To secure it? Like, what do you need to view?
Make sure that everything is up, not anything been destroyed.
Ain't nothing been destroyed about it.
And if it has been destroyed, then what? You're gonna,
But
because I
we
think
have to
you,
come back to
I
court.
think you did you file for, you did termination of tenancy? And you surveyed this property 6 months ago to make sure nothing was
That
destroyed?
was 6 months ago.
You surveyed it 6 months ago? They were present when this happened?
Yeah.
Okay. That's correct, sir? Is that a yes or no? We
Oh,
can't.
no, I don't know nothing about that.
Who was,
Yes,
who was, you're talking to me. Who was present?
He was, I talked to him.
Sir? He said he was not present.
He was
So,
present.
okay, well, you can do a walkthrough together or you all can figure that out on your own. I'm not gonna get involved in your walkthrough with your family of a family home.
Your Honor, I'm gonna be honest. Like I said, I didn't understand what's going on.
I recognize that. I think
Anyway,
I
what I'm saying-
recommended an attorney to you.
He said that I was at the home when he did a survey.
He was. I
I
gave
know
him-
not.
Okay, if you all want to talk to each other, you all can go outside and do that, but not gonna do it in here. I asked him a question. He said he was not there. He doesn't remember you coming to view the home while he was there. Now, you going to visit the home while he was there? Is that what you're saying? Or did you say I'm coming to
He never
inspect the
said that
house?
was. He was.
Talk over me one more time. Thank you. You went to go inspect the home or you just was by the home when he was there?
No, I went in at that time, inspect the home.
He was there.
Yes, he was.
What
'cause I gave
day?
him
What
paper.
day was it?
I gave him his paper, his notification paper for 30 days.
Oh, that's the day that you
Yeah.
went to serve him and you went
Yeah.
inside the home
Right,
and walked around the home.
yeah.
Boom. When a judge hits the get out of my courtroom, it means the patience meter has hit 0. After minutes of talking over, contradicting himself, and stirring drama, she finally shuts it down. And honestly, she held out longer than most judges would.
Get out of my courtroom. You walked around while he was there. This man who won't even be quiet in the courtroom and inspected the property and you didn't have a problem in there?
No,
I don't believe it.
well, I did when I gave him the paper for 30 days.
I don't believe it. No, I'm not letting you go in there because you go in there right now, the 911 is gonna have to be involved.
Okay.
You can go and inspect the property after the fact, and if you need to file something for damages, you can do that separately. This is only as to possession. which filed for anywhere. You only filed for possession. You can have a seat. We'll get you some paperwork in just a moment.